damn. Well, that's a shame. Such a nice morning, and successful flights with a Cub and a little Spitfire. So, but what a shame, you know. I've just had a really good successful flight with the Cessna, and then what did I do? I brought it around. I'll have a look at the video, but you know, it's started to roll to the right, and it's coming at me, so I've done the reverse and further rolled it, gone upside down, pear-shaped, and then nosedived into the ground. So that's pretty sad, especially because it was flying so nice, and now I've got a fair bit of repair work to get it back up and flying again. Anyway, that's what flying's all about. Anyway, see you later from Model Making Maniacs. Bye for now.